Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Hello, welcome back to another weekend talk with me, Vivian Alhamdulillah. Now, I will be a host in this occasion, and then Rasha will be the speakers. Okay, so uh, Rasha, assalamualaikum
Oh
Rasha.
yeah, hello Kegan.
Yeah, yeah.
So how are you,
Now,
Kegan?
yeah, I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm fine too.
Yeah, okay.
So we can start now.
Okay. So, are you ready, Rasha?
Yeah, I'm ready. Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, please introduce yourself first. Okay.
Okay, I will introduce myself. So my name is Muhammad Rashid Nubaiti, and I'm from 10th grader in Adian Boarding School Bogor, and I'm uh, and I'm following the class, and the class is Network Engineering class, or in Indonesia is TKJ, or Teknik Komputer Jaringan. And so in this occasion, I wanted to give an explanation about routing on Cisco. So yeah, I will start now. Uh, yeah. Okay, so I will explain what is Cisco. So Cisco is a multinational technology company that develop and sells networking hardware, software, and service. It was founded in 1984 and is headquartered in San Jose, California. Cisco is a market leader in the networking industry and is known for its products such as routers, switches, security devices, and collaboration tools. Cisco networking products are widely used in business, school, and hospital and government organizations around the world to connect devices, applications, and people. The company software offering include network management tools, security solution, collaboration application such as WebEx. If you know WebEx, WebEx is like a Zoom. When I'm 8th graders, WebEx is the software that uh, it seems like Zoom. So I meet with my teachers and my friend when pandemic with Cisco WebEx. So it's maybe seems as seems like Zoom or maybe Google Meet. That's application from Cisco. That is WebEx. And Cisco also involved in research and development, investing heavily emerging technologies such as 5G, the Internet of Things, or IoT, and artificial intelligence or AI. I will next to uh, what is router? So because our theme is router on Cisco, after I explain about Cisco, I will explain about router. So a router is a device that forwards data packets between computer networks. It's commonly used to connect device in local area network or LAN to the internet or another wide area network or WAN, WAN, wide area network. A router operates at the network layer of the OC model and uses routing tables to determine the best path to data travel from one network to another network. To the other network, it's like you have a network, and the network is 10.10.10.10, and the other network is 20.20.20.20. So if you using a switch, uh, PCA with 10, 10, 10, and 10, and PCB with 20, 20, 20, 20, it will not uh, connect up. They can uh, they can talk with each other. So router is come to this world to solve that problem, to connect the different network. So yeah, and routers can be wired or wireless. Yeah, I don't know exactly about the wireless one. And they typically have multiple other ports. for connecting device. Maybe it's around two or one or maybe three. For I think it's about 20 or 10 around that, because it's too much, yeah, for some routers. But in recruiting it's different. Yeah, but we talk about Cisco. So router, the architecture of router is have a variation of cable of either. It's like gigabit, fast Ethernet, or Ethernet. And for three that it draft that three internet is different for the what is that, speed, for the speed. Yeah. Uh, that third, it's have a different speed. Like, for the gigabit, it has 1,000 megabyte for the speed, and for the fast internet is different. So we have switch, and the switch is can contain the 1 megabyte in one cable, because maybe they don't have a gigabit port, so we can using at the channel, but we don't talk in here because we will talk about router on Cisco, right? And uh, they have a multiple Ethernet ports, like what I say in the previous one. They first directly support Wi-Fi for wireless device. Some advanced router can also offer features like firewall, VPNs, and QoS or quality of service control to help prioritize network traffic. Maybe you can make a priority to your boss or your director, or maybe like that. You can give a priority for them who need more faster internet to access internet. Yeah, like that. And similarly, a router is essential network device that enable the device to communicate with each other and access the internet or other networks. So, because I have done to explanation about the router, I want to explain about Cisco routing configuration. Cisco routing. Yeah. Uh, so routing, routing is the process of forwarding data packets. So you have a PC, so you want to forwarding the data packets to the other PC, but it has a different network. So you must have a device that can forward your information or data to the other side. Ah, it's like that. The explanation. And yeah, it's well forwarding the packets between different network or different subnets based on their destination IP address. So yeah, it's based on the destination IP address. So if you wanna send your data packet to set C with IP address 30, 30, and 30, and site B with 20, 20, 20. Nah, the destination is different. So when you want to give the data packets to the site C, now you can write it down the site C source address. Now, and from your router, it's destination. It's called destination. And routing allows different networks to communicate with each other, and it's crucial function for any enterprise network. Cisco offers a range of network devices that can perform routing, including routers and switch. This device uses routing protocol to exchange routing information and to build a routing table that allows them to make a forwarding decision. And about the switch have a routing too, but it just have on MLS or multi-layer switch. Why? Switch is just have two layers, and there is physical and MAC address. So it's not rich IP address or network. Now, so switch can connect. two different network uh, and can talking with each other. Now that's switch, but it's different if you talk about MLS or multi-layer switch. Multi-layer switch has the third layer, that network layer, so you can turn on the network layer with routing, enable routing. Yeah, I think like that. So you can search in Google maybe next time. And yeah, that's MLS. Uh, this device use routing protocol to exchange routing information to build a routing that allows my formula decision. Here, I have an example of protocol on Cisco device, right, in routing protocols used on Cisco device. So for the first is OSPF, and for the second is EGRP, and for the third it's PGP, and for the RIP. And there are so many routing protocol, but I will talk about two routing protocol, OSPF and EGRP. So what is OSPF? OSPF or Open Short Password is routing protocol used in computer networks to determine the best path for data to travel from one network to another network. It works by sharing information about network topology, the arrangement of devices and connection in network between routers in order to calculate the most efficient path to data to travel. Each router in the network maintains a database for information about the network topology and use this information to create map of for the entire network. OSPF or open source fastpath is designed to be efficient and scalable, which means it can handle large and complex networks with many router and connection. So if you have a lot of routers on your company or on your topology, uh, uh, for the explanation, for the example, you work on the large company like ESP that must have a lot of router to support that internet service provider. So yeah, so OSPF you can use OSPF for that because scalable for OSPF is enough to cover a large company with a lot of router. And it also supports multiple paths to destination which provide redundancy and can improve network performance. In simple terms, OSPF is like a GPS for data on the network, helping it find the fastest and most efficient route to its destination. It's simple, right? Like you using Google Maps on your smartphone, OSPF is help you to find a route that uh, efficient and saving your time. Now, it's what WhatsApp do. And what about AGRP? That's the question. What is AGRP? AGRP or Enhanced Internet Gateway Routing Protocol is another routing protocol used in computer network to determine fast path for data to travel to. It's proprietary protocol and developed by Cisco system. So there is no the device can the other vendor then can use AGRP because it's Cisco proprietary, like Picrotic or Ubiquity or something like that. They can use AGRP because it's Cisco proprietary. Yeah. Like OSPF, AGRP also use information about network topology to calculate the most efficient path for data to travel. However, AGRP is used a different algorithm called a diffusing update algorithm or DUAL, which make it faster and more scalable than some other routing protocols. For the example, for that's dual is if you configure uh, in your router with AGRP, the notification of agency, ADJAENCY, at JNC. It's more faster, for master notification, faster notification than WhatsApp. You must have waiting for maybe around 3 minutes or yeah a few times for WhatsApp notification. But it's different for AGRP. If you configure and it's matching with the others configured, it will shows up the notification. And AGRP also support filter such as load balancing that can make your router more efficient because load balancing using uh, two different gateway for what yeah, make that router more stronger because it will not make the router sick. It's because it's more healthier for the router. Yeah, for the simple way, it's like that. It will make router your router more healthier because he will use two gateway. And if the client using one gateway, a lot of client using one gateway, it will make the gateway is overload and boom, like that. So yeah, why that load balancing comes to our work. Yeah, maybe like that. And which allows us to distribute network traffic across multiple paths to a destination and with summarization, which help readers. Yeah, like what I say, it's readers. And the damage for the router is there. Uh, Operating tables and conserve network resource. In simple terms, yeah, in simple way, AGRP is like a smarter and faster GPS. We have a Google Maps, but we have another maps like Waze or something like that. And yeah, it's like smarter and faster GPS for the data on the network. But maybe it's uh, yeah, I can say US map is more easier. It's, uh, it's yeah, it's your choice. You can say about don't you choose agent. Yeah, I would recommend ASPA for easier. Yeah, and we'll continue. Helping it find the best and most efficient route to its destination will also load plans in our traffic and conserving network results. Yeah. Okay. So we will next to the Cisco Packet Tracer. Cisco Packet Tracer is a software. It's made from Cisco and Network Academy, NetCap, and help you to learn about the Cisco configuration with advanced tool. So you can learn without paying a device from Cisco. So yeah, let's go. With configuration maybe one or two of our path. Maybe I will make an easiest one. So maybe it's like this. Yeah. Now we will put one in here. So yeah, we have two device, laptop and PC with a different network. You must add the gateway because it have a different network. So I will connect. We have this one. Uh, Automatically choose connection type, so it will uh, use. It will choose for you automatically for the cable, copper strike through or copper crossover or fiber or maybe phone, coaxial, channel DC, channel DC. Now you can pitch in here. Nah, or octal or IoT custom cable, USB or console. I will choose you automatically. Yes. Okay. So two device is connected. So we just connect each other. Yes. Uh, but first, we have to uh, activate the other port. Enable to we have to enable this configuration to go to privilege mode. And after go to privilege mode, we can go global configuration, I guess. Configure terminal. Config. Now, after that, you can now shut down the two things, PC and laptop, with uh, go into the other parts like this. Interface what? Zero. Fast internet zero zero. Ah, you have been on who has arrived at interface faster than zero zero. So you can config in here to activate the port. You can no shutdown. Zero shutdown. What? But in the first sentence you can use no. So it's activated. Yeah. No shutdown. Huh. Line protocol 5 up to the line protocol on interface faster. No change state to up like that. After that, uh, you can activate. Oh, uh, I'm sorry. Yep.
Thank you, Rasha. Okay, thank you, Rasha. Yeah,
Yeah. So I forgot about this one. Ah, this that configuration. I forgot to enable the start screen. So yeah, we have to enable configure terminal. Yeah, to go to a privilege mode, and then we can go into the next step as going to the interface. Is interface faster at zero and zero. After that, you can activate the interface with no shutdown, and then the state is changed to up, change to state to up, and yeah, you can configure in here. But we must on the other ports, and the destination is PC with source faster than 01. So you can go to interface FA01 like this. You can stack it, so don't worry. But for the configuration, you can stack it. You just can to maybe like some do to see something, you can stack. But for the configuration, no, you can stack, bro. Interface if I 01. Oh, shut down. Oh, sorry. Double N. After that, you can put SPF configuration as routing protocol SPF in here. Just like this. We root. Uh, IP OSPF 1 and then area 0 or backbone. Set. Oh, also can start. There must be at least one of IP interface. Oh, I forgot to import the IP address of this things. You can add like this IP add. Uh, you can add the address first. That you can use that IP was by F1 area 0. Like that. And go to the other interface. This is right. So they can communicate each other. Ping. You can press P keyboard on your keyboard. In progress, file it. You see, successful. You read the progress, yeah. Hub, hub. It's the data packet. Data packet. Hub, hub. Ta-da! Maybe for make this. Ah, yeah. To cut this short, I will end it in OSPF. Yeah, I will end it in OSPF. So you guys don't forget to donate in our reckoning on this side. Uh, yeah, on this side. You can see it. 5 1 1 7 7 7 9 9 9 and 7. You can donate to our reckoning to support us to make content. Yeah, maybe Kegan, you can end this bit. Hello, Kegan.
Hello, Russia.
Hello.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Before that, I will
what?
ask you. This about routing on Cisco, right? Yeah.
Yeah, Roti on
Yeah.
Cisco.
you you what give uh like um, what yeah theoretical for routing and yeah
Yeah,
something like that.
all the
Yeah,
time.
right. Yeah.
So
Okay. So
yes,
I think because it is so uh,
yeah,
was yeah.
you can end.
Okay. Okay. And okay. Thank you, Rasha,
Yeah,
for
thank you,
your
guys. You're
for
welcome
your
anytime.
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Thank you, guys. This uh from Russia. Yeah. We speak we speakers. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Sorry for my mistake and so for uh, me. I'm in Russia. Okay. Thank you for your session. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.